Hello and good morning, my dear students. In our today's English session, we will start a new lesson of Unit 9, the Magic Porridge Pot. Okay? First, we will read and understand the lesson, then, we will write new words, words with meaning, sentences, question answer. Okay? And then, we will do some exercises. So watch all videos carefully and then complete your work in notebook as well as in your textbook. So let's start our today's English session. Okay students, open your English textbook, page number 148, Unit 9, lesson The Magic Porridge Pot. This is a beautiful story of one little girl and her mother. Once there was a little girl named Tara. Right? There was one little girl named Tara. Tara naam tha. She lived with her mother. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. Her mother and Tara both were very poor. They don't have proper money. One day she went to a forest. Where did she go one day? She went to a forest. You all know forest, jungle. There she met an old woman, right? To whom did she meet there? She met one old woman. The old woman gave her a pot. When Tara met an old woman in the forest, that old woman talked with Tara, and then after that old woman gave her a pot. See, in picture you can see this type of a vessel is known as a pot. So that old woman gave a pot to Tara. She said, "This is a magic pot. See, this pot is not an ordinary pot, not a simple pot, but it is a magic pot. उसमें magic था, जादू था. It will cook porridge for you when you say." That old lady told Tara that this is a magic pot, and whenever you tell that pot will cook porridge for you. Cook, pot, cook. What Tara have to speak? Cook, pot, cook. It will stop making porridge when you say stop, pot, stop. See what that old woman told to Tara, that when you say cook, pot, cook, the pot started making porridge for you. And when you want to stop it, then you have to speak stop, pot, stop. You have to remember these two lines. Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry as I have got a magic pot." Now after getting this pot, Tara became very happy and she ran to her mother, right? Directly she went to her mother and she told her mother that, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry," because they were poor, no? So many times they will not get proper food, right? They did not get proper food. So now Tara told her mother that we will no longer be hungry. अब हम ज़्यादा भूखे नहीं रहेंगे. I have got a magic pot, because now I have got what? Magic pot. Tara said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook," and the pot cooked porridge. Then Tara said to the pot that, "Cook, pot, cook." So the pot started making porridge. Her mother was very happy and they both ate porridge. Now her mother was also very happy because now they got the food to eat whenever they want. So see, the both ate porridge. One day when Tara had gone out, her mother felt hungry. Now what happened one day when Tara had gone out At that time her mother felt hungry. भूख लगी. She said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." Now her mother said to the pot that cook, pot, cook this line. The pot started cooking porridge. Now pot started to make porridge. Next page. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook pot." Now her mother had completed the food. So her mother said to the pot that do not cook pot. But the pot went on cooking. But pot did not stop. Why? Is her mother's did her mother say correct line? No, her mother told do not cook pot. While she has to speak stop pot stop. Right? जो बोलना था वो गलत बोला. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. Now what happened? Porridge started spilling on the floor. Spilling hona means to overflow. Right? So the porridge started overflowing on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop. Right? Mother started screaming that do not cook. Right? Pot do not cook anymore. But the pot did not stop. Why? Because the line was wrong. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. Now what happened? Mother ran out of the house because the porridge followed her. Porridge is following her means porridge पीछे पीछे जा रहा था इतना overflow होके. Soon there was porridge everywhere. The whole village saw it. They ran to eat the porridge. Now from the house the porridge coming out into the street of the village. So all the people saw that, oh, porridge, so much porridge on the road. They ran to eat and now they all started running to eat that porridge. When Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. Now when Tara returned from her work, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran home as fast as she could and she started running. जल्दी से दौड़ के वो घर पहुंच गई. She heard her mother shout and she heard that her mother is shouting, "Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop." Her mother told Tara what happened. Tara called out, "Stop, pot, stop." And it stopped cooking porridge. And Tara called out, Tara shouted loudly that stop, pot, stop, the correct line, right, to make it stop. And then the pot stopped cooking porridge. So this is a folk tale, right? It is called a folk tale. So you all read one more time this beautiful story. Okay students, I hope you all understood the lesson. Now let's see new words of this lesson, the magic porridge pot. First word, magic. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Second word, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Third word, porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E, porridge. Fourth, spilling. S-P-I-L-L-I-N-G, spilling. Fifth word, whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Sixth word, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Seventh word, poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Forest, eighth word, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Okay, so see, these are some new words. Now let's see meanings of some words. Magic, supernatural event, right? जादू जिसको हम बोलते हैं, magic, supernatural event. Second word, cook. Cook means to prepare food. Porridge, cereal boiled in water, that is known as porridge. सीरियल जो होते हैं वो हम वाटर में बॉईल करते हैं, वो that food is known as porridge. Spilling means to coming out, to overflow. Whole, all or entire, सारा, पूरा. Village, a group of houses, right? Small town, that is known as village, very small place. So these are some words with meaning. Okay, now let's frame sentences from some words. Make a sentence from the following words. First, magic. I can perform magic with playing cards. What? I can perform magic with playing cards. Second, cook. My mother cooks very delicious food or tasty food. Porridge. Porridge is very soft to eat. Fourth word, spilling. The milk started spilling on the floor. Whole. The whole class was punished by the teacher. Okay? So these are some sentences. You can frame your own sentences using these words. Now let's see question answer. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Where did Tara go one day? Answer 1. Tara went to a forest one day. Right? कहाँ गई थी तारा? Went to a forest one day. Question 2. What did the old woman give Tara? The old woman gave a magic pot to Tara. Right? What did the old woman give Tara? The old woman gave a magic pot to Tara. What did the magic pot cook? क्या पकाता था magic pot? The magic pot cooked porridge. See here, these all are in past tense. So in question we write did, but when we write answer, we have to write the past tense form of this verb. See here, where did Tara go? But when we write the answer, we should write went. Tara went to a forest. We have to use the past tense form of go. That is went. So Tara went to a forest one day. Here also, what did the old woman give Tara? So did, that's why here give. But when you write the answer, instead of give, what you have to write? Gave. Right? Gave is the past tense form of give. Then again see here, what did the magic pot cook? Here instead of cook, in the answer we have to write cooked, because past tense form of cook is cooked. You have to remember these all past tense form. Okay students? Question 4. Who said do not cook pot? Mother said do not cook pot. Here you can see that already past tense form is given. Whenever we ask question with WHO who, at that time past form is already there. So there is no need to change that word. Who said do not cook pot? Mother said do not cook pot. Question 5. Why was there so much porridge on the road? There was so much porridge on the road because, turn the page, because Tara's mother did not know what to say so that the pot could stop cooking. Right? Why? Because Tara's mother did not know. तारा की मदर को पता नहीं था कि क्या बोलना है पॉट को स्टॉप करने के लिए. What to say so that the pot could stop cooking. Right? That's why there was so much porridge on the road. रोड पे इसलिए सारी porridge चली गई क्योंकि तारा की मदर को पता नहीं था कि पॉट को स्टॉप करने के लिए क्या बोलना है. Okay, so write and learn all these question answer and words with meaning. Okay, and do this work in your English notebook. Okay students, now open your textbook. These question answer we have already done. Now on this page, page number 150, some words are given. Say aloud these words. Pot, repeat after me, pot, dot, dot, cot, cot, hot, hot, cot, cot, bought, bought, taught, taught, fought, fought. These are all past tense. Caught is past tense of catch. Bought is past tense of buy. Taught is past tense of teach. And fought is past tense of fight. Cook, hook, book, took. Cook, hook, book, took. Then in this line, boon, soon, moon, spoon. These all are rhyming words. Okay, read it again. Okay, now let's write. Let's do this exercise on page number 151. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I hope yesterday you all have seen the video of the articles, right? Articles a and the. So now you all know where should we use a, an or the. See here some lines are given with pictures. You have to keep the proper articles in the proper blank. Once there was blank beautiful garden. So once there was a beautiful garden, right? Garden. Now here again the garden, the same garden we are talking about. So here we will write the. Here we used a for garden, a beautiful garden. But now we talk about the same garden. That's why we will add here the. The garden had an apple tree, right? Because a is a vowel. So an apple tree. An apple tree, orange tree. So an orange tree and guava tree. So for guava tree what we will use a because G is consonant, while a for apple and O for orange, these both are vowels, so we will use N. In the garden, again we are talking about the same garden, so we will write the. In the garden lived a big giant, right? A big giant is lived in the garden. So again here the giant, because we are talking about the same giant. The giant did not like children to play in the garden, because here the same garden is repeated, right? Now the giant used to eat a fruit every day from the garden, right? But he did not share this with the children. So his garden dried up. So write all these articles in these blanks. Okay students, next page 152. See, word building. Here what you have to do, look at the letters given below and make words starting with them. Here some letters are given. Here you have to frame 3 words from this letter. For example, here the first letter is given K. So from K, which 3 words you can frame? See, kite, then kitten, then kangaroo, right? Any 3 words, right? So write down here any 3 words and starting with this letter K. I will write here 3 words, but I will give you this work later. First you try. let me see which different types of words you can frame. Okay, so write down here three words starting from this letter. Then see here, let's eat. Your mother makes delicious porridge. Would you also like to learn how to make it? Ask your mother or an older person to help you. You need milk, porridge, sugar. Here you have given the process how to make porridge. Take hot milk, add cooked porridge, add sugar and eat it. Here you have given the process of porridge. Right? Then see, here one more activity is given. It is your friend's birthday. You are presenting a bunch of balloons to her to decorate in her party. These balloons are your friendship balloons. Choose a name for each from the box and color them. Here 7 balloons are given. You have to color it, right? And these balloons are your friendship balloon. So for your friends, which different words you will use? Caring, sharing, kind, friendly, helpful, loving, forgiving and truthful. So you have to write these balloons names over here and you have to color it. So this also you do by your own. Then I will send you how to you have done. So you check it. Okay. So these two things you do first by your own and I will send you the answer. Then you check it that whether you have done properly or not. And then you send me you mail your homework to me on my email ID.